Well, two plants that can only be found on the Channel Islands are making a comeback.
News Channel reporter Mina Wahab has more on the recovery and what it means for conservation efforts on the islands.
Botanists, scientists, and several local agencies came to the Channel Islands National Park headquarters in Ventura on Tuesday to celebrate the recovery of the island bedstraw and the Santa Cruz island dudleya. Both of them were removed from the endangered species list.
This is a big celebration. In the conservation world, this is a big victory.
I've seen these plants go from being fairly devastated habitats to being delisted today, and it's great to have folks who worked with me on that project be here, and it's great to have such recognition of that.
Scientists are celebrating the plant's recovery, which happens to coincide with the 50th anniversary of the Endangered Species Act.
The Endangered Species Act was one of the first, probably the first piece of legislation that I know of in the world that recognized our role as human beings in species declines.
It has been an incredibly successful law in protecting biodiversity. More than 99% of the species that have received ESA protection are still with us today.
Conservationists say the recovery of these two plants shows the Endangered Species Act works.
In terms of the Santa Cruz island dudleya that was delisted, we have a long history of working with that species, from growing it in our nursery, producing seeds for restoration projects, conducting surveys, and keeping seeds in our conservation seed bank at the garden.
They also say it's a sign that the entire ecosystem of the Channel Islands is improving. In Ventura, I'm News Channel reporter Mina Wahab.